hour, becoming south. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test warning is part of the annual Ohio tornado drill. If this was an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, the Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourage the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. Think about where you would go and what you would do in the event of an actual tornado. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning for the 2021 Ohio tornado drill. This concludes the test. We now resume our normal programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity.